Dictation of sports related matter. So we ready? One, two, three, start. Another destructive innings by A.V. de Villiers helped Royal Challengers Bangalore make short work of a 178 run target set by Rajasthan Royals on Saturday with 35 needed from the last 12 balls. De Villiers upped the ante in scintillating fashion, hitting three consecutive sixes of Jadeo Nathkad. He finished it off with another six. Jofra Archer's next to guide RCB to a 7-wicket win. De Villiers 22 ball 55 trumped a 36 ball 57 by Royals skipper Steven Smith, earlier leaving the Jaipur based franchise campaign to make the playoffs in tatters. RCB now have 12 points from 9 games, at par with Delhi Capitals and Mumbai Indians, who are ahead on account of their net run rates. Rajasthan Royal, on the other hand, are at 7th spot with just 3 wins from 9 outings. Unatkat's expensive 19th over cost Rajasthan 25 runs and tilted the balance in RCB's favour. The hat-trick of De Villiers' sixes deflated Smith's man as the left-arm medium pacer's strategy of bowling slower ones failed completely. RCB began their chase on a cautious note, with the first couple of overs fetching just 9 runs. Australia's Aaron Finch hit 2 sixes, one over square leg and the other over long off fence in the third over of Archer as he began to take things in his control. However, a clever delivery from leg spinner Shreyas Gopal in the next over stopped his march. In his attempt to slog sweep, Finch sliced one to the careful hands of Robin Uthappa at mid-off, but Finch's opening partner Deodat Padikkal kept the scoreboard going with 2 consecutive fours in the 5th over of newcomer Karthik Tyagi.